Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Blazing World. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to claim the Taichi airdrop. All you have to do is to watch this video till the end because you'll be learning a lot from it. And without further ado, let's get to the steps. The first thing you need to do is to click on the description box below and you'll find the link to this airdrop bot. Now click on it and you'll be redirected to this Telegram airdrop bot. Once you are here, you make sure you perform all the tasks that will be given to you. Now these are the tasks that will be given to you. The first one is to join the Telegram channel, to join their chats, to join one of their sponsors channel, and so on. Now once you are done with all this, you click on submit details. You'll be also required to join the Taichi Twitter handle, and once you do that, you submit your Twitter username. As you can see, I did mine here. And also you'll be required to submit your BNB smart chain wallet address. This is mine, I submitted, and this is all the tasks you need to do. And once you are done with it, you'll be able to withdraw. And for you to withdraw, you have to have at least a minimum of 750 Taichi coins. So to get more of these coins, all you have to do is just click on referral and you'll find your referral link, and then you copy it, share it with your friends and your loved ones, and as they register you'll be getting 100 Taichi tokens, which is worth $27. So make sure you share it and allow your friends to register. Tell them about it, let them register, and as they register, there's no paying for it. Every airdrop is free. This is totally free. You don't need to put any money and you're not paying for any gas fee for this one. So this is all you need to know about this airdrop. Make sure you like and drop your comment after watching it, and if this is your first time in this channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever we post any of our amazing updates. Thanks.